Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create or open yourself a Fortnite account. Now since Fortnite is linked with Epic Games, you need an Epic Games account to play Fortnite. So your Epic Game account becomes your Fortnite account. So I hope you understand how this works. Which means let me teach you how to make an Epic Games account. To make an Epic Games account, you just have to search for Epic Games. Once you search for Epic Games on your browser, click on this option. It'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. Once you're in the official page, click on the person looking icon at the top right of your screen. It'll take you to the login or the sign up page. Over here, what you can do is you can create an account easily by linking your Facebook, Google, or any of the account you have from the bottom. But if you don't want to create an account linking it, you can enter your email address at the top. So enter an email which you want to use. After you enter your email over here, you want to click on continue. On the next step, it is going to ask you to verify if you're a human or not. So verify if you're a human by completing this puzzle, and it'll take you to the next step. Over here, choose a date of birth. After you choose a date of birth over here, click on continue. And over here, choose the country where you belong to. Then choose your first and your last name, and then enter a display name which you want to be displayed on your game of Epic Games or Fortnite, and then create a password for your account over here and click on I've read its terms and service and click on continue over here. Once you do that, a Fortnite account under this display name, this password, this country, this first and last name, and this email will be created. So that is how we guys can create an Epic Games account. And once your Epic Games account is created, you can open up your Epic Games launcher, log in into your Epic Games account, and then start playing Fortnite. That's how we guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful on how we guys can create a Fortnite account, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.